Today on Mom's Dinner, we're going to be making Raspberry Jell-O Fluff. This is a very classic, old-fashioned, traditional Jell-O salad that was normally on holiday tables back maybe in the, 60s and 70s. It's a tradition that my family has kept through all of the years, and this is our go-to Jell-O salad. So for this recipe, you only need 4 ingredients. You need a 3-ounce box of raspberry Jell-O, a can of crushed pineapple in juice, not in syrup, whipped topping or Cool Whip, and this is kind of a weird ingredient, but I promise you it works, cottage cheese. So let's get started. Okay, you're gonna get started by placing just a medium-sized pan or pot over medium-low heat. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your can of crushed pineapple in juice. Do not drain it. You want the juice still in there. And that's part of why we like to use the crushed pineapple in 100% pineapple juice and not in heavy syrup. So just pour that on in. And as it heats up, it's actually going to start to release a little bit more juice. Now you're going to take the 3-ounce container of raspberry Jell-O, open that up, and we're going to stir that right into the pineapple. It becomes the most beautiful red color. Okay, we're gonna let this mixture come to a little boil over medium heat. And once it starts to boil, you'll just wanna give it a little stir and then pull it off the heat and let it cool for about 20 minutes before we move on to the next steps. Okay, this mixture is nice and cool. And while it was cooling on the countertop, I did go ahead and stir it a few times, and that just helps it cool down just a little bit faster. So now for the next steps, we're going to fold in 8 ounces of Cool Whip, get every last bit out of there. Okay, and then we actually just need 12 ounces of cottage cheese. This is a 24-ounce container, so I'm actually just going to use half of this container. Pop that in there. And now we're going to stir this all together. Okay, once you've got that all nice and mixed and you know there's no clumps of Cool Whip or cottage cheese and everything looks nice and pink, then you want to grab your serving bowl, and I'm going to use this nice little serving bowl because we're actually going to have this for Easter. So now we're going to go ahead and take this and pour it right into the serving bowl. And I recommend that you refrigerate it in the serving bowl instead of refrigerating it and then trying to transfer it to a serving bowl. So pour it all in there. Smooth out the top a little bit. And then I'm going to pop this in the fridge for 12 to 24 hours, and then it will be ready to serve. I hope your family likes this raspberry Jell-O fluff salad as much as my family does. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want the printable recipe, it's in the description box below.